Welcome to Internet Marketing Academy. Learn internet marketing and grow your business with Kakashingsen. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest updates. If you like it, please like, share it, and leave comments. Thanks for your support and for helping us make the world a better place. Diversify your income. One of the most important things you should learn with your website is that you need to diversify your income. As the old saying goes, and quote, don't put all your eggs in one basket, end quote. As this rings true to most of our daily lives, it also rings true to having an online income. Let's say you have most of your ads with Google AdSense. Say that it makes up 90% of your website's income. Heaven forbid if Google should ever cancel your account. You would lose 90% of your website income. Then what would you do? Would you be able to recover immediately? Most people would not. I had a friend recently get his Google AdSense account revoked for reasons unknown to him. They said that he was generating false clicks, which he wasn't, and that's all the information they would give him. Luckily, he was able to appeal the decision and get his account reinstated, but not everyone is that lucky. So if you have a website, diversify your earnings by not only using pay-per-click sponsors, but perhaps use a direct lead sponsor, end quote, cost per action end quote, sponsor, or even promote other products or services and get paid a commission per sale. It's always best to watch the performance of your website. Make sure that you are checking your stats to see which banners and ads are performing the best and swap out the ones that aren't functioning as well. It's also a good idea to rotate your banners every few months. Anyway, to get in quote, fresh blood in quote, on your site, your surfers will become in quote, banner blind in quote, after a while and will learn to overlook all of your ads and banners. Diversifying your income also includes opening other websites. Currently, I have several websites that I get income from. About 4 months ago, Google banned one of my websites from their search engine. This is a common thing to happen amongst internet marketers. Apparently, my site had too many outgoing links to sponsor ads and they considered it a in quote, link farm in quote. However, that site at the time was earning me approximately $1,000 per month. If I didn't have all of my other sites to pick up the slack, can you imagine the disaster that would have been? Another way to diversify your websites are to have some of them on different servers. Hosting is dirt cheap these days. If you can throw one or two of them up on a $5.99 a month server and pay for a year's worth of hosting, you're doing the right thing. Not only does it have search engine benefits, but if one of your servers should go down, not all of your sites are down at once. So remember to diversify your income and you'll be glad when you're having a slow sales month on one of your affiliate programs. All of the other ones may just pick up the slack. We hope we will achieve our objectives. All the best to you. Learn more at uni24x7.com. Kakashingsen pays you to have fun. Kakashingsen.net